Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to add or remove apps on Sidebar in Microsoft Edge. So I will open the Microsoft Edge, and at the top right corner you will see the apps like the Microsoft Office 365, Outlook, and Drop. There are so many things which you can do from here itself, and you do not have to switch to any other. Let's say if you want to use Outlook, you can simply click on that and you will be able to. If you want to open the Microsoft 365, you can do that. You can also open Excel from there. So this is a very good thing, and you can also do that. You can see I have just opened the Office 365, Microsoft 365, and you can also do that. There are so many things which you can do from here in the sidebar, and to remove or add, you just need to click on this three dots at the very top, and then we'll go to settings. I'll just close it, and at the left hand side we have fourth option, sidebar, and I will click on that. And here, always show sidebar. If I'll just turn off, you will not be able to see the sidebar, and the moment I turn on, you will see the sidebar. Personalize my top sites in customize sidebar, you can do that, and allow sidebar apps to show notification. So from here you can add it, you can customize it, you can select the links from here, and it's like making favorites or bookmarks, right? And in the meanwhile, you can also open the apps, especially which is related to Microsoft. So this is how you can remove the apps on sidebar, and you can simply do a right click on that, and you can simply click on remove from sidebar or quit app, like that. So if I'll click on remove from sidebar, this will be removed. If I'll do the right click and if I'll click on quit app, that will be closed if it is opened. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.